Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a very beautiful flowering plant called lupin. Lupins are classic cottage garden plants. They are tall, showy and colorful. The plants are related to the pea family. You can tell by the flowers. They also look like pea flowers. Quite similar to the sweet peas that I'm growing. The flowers come in long stems and they come in beautiful colors. I have this blue color, which is quite a rare color in the garden. You will find them in red, purple, pink and bicolors. They're also great cut flowers. The plants can get around 1 to 4 feet tall. Their height and beautiful shape makes them stand out in the garden and they instantly draw your attention. I love tall plants and when these bloom, they give your garden a very romantic and soft look that I love. You can grow them alongside snapdragons, delphinium, poppies to get that nice cottage garden look. They also have really beautiful leaves. Look at how different the leaves are. They're bright and green and I love the shape of the foliage. Lupins are also very beneficial. They actually help store and increase nitrogen levels in the soil, so you can plant them around nitrogen-loving plants and vegetables. They're grown as annuals or perennials depending on the climate. Where I live, we grow them in the winter season. In colder climates, they can be grown in summer or fall. You can also grow them in pots too. I have grown them in pots and they're quite easy to grow plants. Plant them in a sunny area. They can be grown in full sun to partial shade. 6 to 8 hours of direct morning sunlight will help your plants get lots of flowers. You can provide them with afternoon shade, especially in the hot summer, so they can last longer. You can grow them from seeds or get a plant from a nursery. If you are growing them from seed, you can soak them in water for 24 hours before sowing. Because they have a hard shell, sometimes they can take a little time to germinate, so be patient. I have bought these tiny little plants from my local nursery and that's how I planted them. As for soil, they prefer moist, well-draining and rich media. You can take a good normal garden soil, mix some compost with it, add some bone and horn dust, prepare the soil around 15 days before planting for better results. They have long tap roots, so be careful when you are transplanting them. As fertilizer, you don't have to give them a lot of nitrogen because they make their own nitrogen. You can use any organic light liquid feed weekly. Once a month, you can add some compost and slow release fertilizer, so they keep getting energy to produce more flowers throughout the season. Water your plants well, especially if they're in pots. Water them thoroughly and keep the soil moist but not too wet. Be careful, especially when the plants are young. You don't want to overwater them because that can cause root rot. You need to deadhead them regularly. When the flower starts to fade from the bottom, remove the whole stem. Don't let them get to seed, otherwise they will stop flowering. If you remove the dead flowers regularly, you will get new shoots and more flowers for a long time. I haven't faced any pest issues in my plant, but you should look out for powdery mildews and aphids and spray soap or neem oil weekly. Lupins are beautiful plants. They attract both humans and the pollinators. They have a really unique shape and they stand out in your garden. If you haven't grown them yet, definitely grow them. I'm sure you will love them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!